Happy birthday. Blow.
Happy
Yay!
So,
Happy birthday, Evie!
Welcome back mga kablagadag. For today's video, we will be going to surprise Ify in her birthday. She is our Indonesian friend who live here in Oman as well.
ngayon tayo lang palagi.
Pagsawa na sa atin mga viewers. We are here again, guys.
Sige lang, good oy, at least may vlog tayo. Pag tumanda na tayo, may papanoorin na lang tayo sa YouTube.
Panong bata-bata. Nung may ngipin pa ako nito. Nito pa pa. Ngayon wala nang ngipin.
Sino mag-kuha ni Telag o pa? Siya naman, tara siya?
Sinapon?
Oo.
Sundoon.
Sunod nga. Sige.
Hindi mo yung lalabas pag hindi mo siya.
Kasi rin ko, asan ka? Siya. Nagulat ko daw kasi masundan ako. Okay. Ayun na pala si ano.
Hi, vlog. Hi, everyone. Good
Hello.
evening.
Kumusta na daw?
Ito, nanghukom. No, oh, French, ano? Kani? Sige, go. Sige, straight. Binaka.
Sige lang eh. Para na yung communication. Para na yung para
Yung
na
vlog. Ayaw, dulit ra ka na yun. Bantay ka lang na ako.
Sige, para
Kani, French, ano? Like cake. Of course. Ala, sarado di ay. Ano,
Ay,
pero,
open
kani,
eh.
Litchi.
Parang
Yan, dito
Piman.
sa gitna. Sa gitna,
Litchi.
pwede ka mag-park.
Hazard, dito sa gitna. Yan. Okay, wait. Uy, social na. Uy, French ba yan na? Lami kailang cake diha.
Sana all. Ito lang madali para nakaipuan.
Ay, siya lagi nga tayo sa kadamo ko. What's up?
Asa ka? Ay, pwede din dito nga. Manantik ka.
Pwede.
Kumantik ka. Ano, pwede mag-ibit lang yun. Pagdating.
Pwede ka nagplano ka? Pwede ka nagplano? Wala, nagplano. Sige, kita ka.
Di ba naman pwede cake dito go pa? Mismo? Di ba?
Asa na sa akin siya magana?
Sa Adrian, di ba kayo?
O gani, paano man lava?
Ah,
Kama na naman uligyan dito cake. Uy, lava cake.
pwede na, good to.
Ha? Pwede na to?
Laba-laba, batangan lang ano. Kalahapit rata, di ko ko'y tao. Ay, we're late already, we changed our minds.
Is the cake buy one get one? The small one?
Yeah, how much that one?
Small one.
Buy one get one? No. Yeah.
Ang bayad to. Thank you. Uy, gupa na yung Where's yung nasa
Uy, meron ako sa bahay yung isa. Malaki-laki na. Yung isa. Yung mga maliliit ang binigay ko sa'yo kasi para tumubo.
Pwede naman kasi ano mo lang sa pasok kasi bubunga din yan.
Wala na nga akong pasok ba pa. May mga tanim kasi ako doon.
Kay Sandy nga eh, nakalamansi, pasok lang.
Malamig galit kasi nasa loob ng bahay kasi
Ang daming bunga.
nalagaan niya.
Dulit kinanaw nga ha.
So, kini ba, pag mag-video ta, kaya muna kag storya. Ganina na, si kag yaw-yaw. Para nauntanay ka ng kuan ba? Para may,
Pag inaw na barbecue ito na, dulit niya akong dagway ko.
yes. Ano na? Ano, mas mulaw din, di ba? No bashing, isa rin yung no bashing.
No bashing.
Uy, nakalimutan ko.
Di ba hinatid ko si Mariska yesterday?
Party. Para Pasko ba? Isang buwan, no? Oh, ayan, oh. Pero pag hindi Ramadan, ako.
Madilim. Dami na yung kayo.
Marami man tayong entertainer, go pa. Bakit hindi tayo pumunta sa mga entertainer dito sa Almoj?
So we are here at Kempinski to find a cake for Effie's birthday surprise.
Nakubugas nga, wala. Ngayon nakabugas nga, wala katubo. Namatay na yun. Nag-dry na yun siya, no? Sasama.
Sama ni, nanan na ni?
Ikaw may sama.
Ah,
Ikaw na makapag-vlog, baya ka.
ay sorry.
Hello vlog. We're at Campus. We're buying a cake for Ify. Happy birthday, Ify.
You want this one cake?
Yeah, no.
It's buy one get one, right? Yes, actually we do have buy one. Take away? Yeah, take away. How long is this? This one is 28, 28, 28, 1 this one is. No worries. That one and so you want total 4 cake, right?
Yeah. So you paid for, right?
Yes, yeah. 2 is free and 2 only free. The dirty. And even though this is not eligible, it's just for a display. Like if the guest wants to order,
I know it's
we can make it in advance. Like
So your per kg is 25.
sorry.
Per kg is 25.
Yes, this one is 1 kg. 1 kg is candy yes, 1 kg. Half kg is like 15 real. We can't only watch it. I can't put it on hold. Take a mouse. 7.8 9.
Kapoy mo yun.
Chika kami dito.
May nakipama. Mga madam. Parang araw-araw na tayo nagsasama, madam.
Parang you remember something?
Kaya nga. Oo. Ay. Nag-vlog ako, madam. Hindi na. Music on.
Walang music. Music. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you daw. Happy birthday daw. Happy birthday, Lord. Nobody's getting old, come on.
Eh?
Nobody's getting old, older.
Older.
That's right.
Older.
How many?
Kanino?
Just this month is my month.
Yeah.
Yes.
True. Birth month. Happy birthday! Nakurat.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I supposed to be there also.
Yeah, I told you to finish that.
Birthday to you. Happy
Yay! Kasi mas flowers talaga to.
Si Arling, maaari na. Dito ka Arling, maaari na lang. Kaya go.
Happy birthday to you.
I think we need more. Everyone are here.
Kaya nga. Lipstick.
Yeah.
May red
Yeah.
lipstick
I have a red lipstick.
Don't need na daw. Okay na daw.
No.
Kung may blouse.
And like, if I want to go to France, I can stay for 3 weeks without the visa. But of course, if I extend,
If I'm in France, you don't stay 3 weeks. You stay 3 months.
yeah, but I need to get Schengen. I don't have yet. Okay, maybe if it's 3 months, I will get a visa. Maybe I have a
Asia
passport.
not my list. Because it's easy to go. Because I want to
Me also. I don't like Asia.
Dali ang Christmas plan, yung nasa Pilipinas. Bali at 20.
You know, because I'm from Asia. So I feel like all Asia is same. I can say everything, but I want to go to Europe or somewhere.
I've been to Jordan, I've been to Israel. So the next is, I'll go to, before I will leave Oman, I want to finish this Middle East.
Me, I'm gonna.
9 hours to
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Lagay mo yung flowers in the middle.
Flowers in the middle.
The ones here.
Look at each other. Yeah, picture. Later na pag go.
Happiest birthday, dear. Wish you and happy Ramadan.
Okay.
Happy Ramadan. Okay.
Happy birthday, Stay beautiful. Inside and out. I love you. Mwah. Mwah.
Birthday, my darling Fifi. I wish you good health and always stay beautiful and sexy and happy. Go lucky.
Happy Ramadan.
Birthday Eve, more blessings and
Happy birthday. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Diba pag closing na sige, thank you for everything, for being nice to us. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
pag closing ko tayo, booking 7 to 10.
Birthday na ni Evie. Birthday na ni Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Evie.
Thank you, everybody.
Love that, right? Black, it is birthday. Happy birthday, and this is Brad Pitt. This is us. Oh. Nice.
Then food.
Libu.
Happy 18th birthday.
So while waiting for the food that we order, everyone has their own radio stations. Charot, we're just talking about our lives.
That area, be careful.
So many areas. That's why I said I will never come this way. I will go back where, you know.
Yeah, they try to come on the other side. I never came that side because the kids are too much. They just want, I mean, they're kids.
That's why.
Until I reach home, I keep thinking, what if, you know? Because I said, always, it happened to me like many times.
Colores din, nag-ano din. Magulo din siya.
Parang nag-telephone pa.
Moana, hanggang baba.
May dapat ganun. Up in orange na yun, parang brave.
Picture na tayo, yung nakatayo tayo. Wala pa may food, uy. Hindi, nakatayo tayo ba? Dito banda.
After na po tayo.
After na lang.
Dapat ganyan na. Para ba wala kang pagkain. Naguluhan na. Nalibugan. Nalibugan.
Basta man din na, or di na natin.
Kana o, doon sa unahan.
Sa...
A few moments later.
Hindi pa naman ako nauwaw. Nauwaw, kanina ko pa yan.
So the food is served and everyone is ready to eat.
It's not spicy. No.
It's sour only.
Yeah.
Gatham? Gatham.
Basta na
sa Mazul. Make your own.
Ah,
Ice cream sa buka.
survey.
700 baita lang. Pag timbang bayot, 2 real, 1.7. Aslong kaayo.
Ano siya?
Parang yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Nagkakaw-yogurt.
Pure mango, pure.
Yung minggo, ako na mango. 9-3 na.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Tapos dito ba ang hangin kasi?
Happy birthday.
Ay, darito mo tanan to.
Ayos kay na yung
Darito tanan o cellphone.
Ipi, wait.
Dali lang.
My God, hangin is... Ay, doon palang hangin dito.
Yan ang hangin.
Dito si Takpan.
Okay, again.
Si
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
unlimited candle.
Happy birthday.
One,
Wish
two.
happy.
Wish
Happy
niya.
birthday. Blow.
Yay! So, nagputin lang na siya. Tapos, actually sa siya. So this one. There is peanuts and there is peanuts.
Oh, you have allergy? Peanuts?
At least I taste it.
Dagdagan mo na. Para
It is delicious. You guys also. Already cut. Oh, yeah.
Cut the cake first. Okay. Happy birthday,
This one, actually, there's no peanut. Yeah, that's why I do like that. But for this one, I
try
use.
Uy, very tasty ah. Pumpkin tasty. Birthday.
Ano ba yan? What order naman? Ano mo sabi? Ayan. Ayan, yan? Ayan. Palit.
Dang, lagay mo shirt dito, Dang.
Palit naman.
That's why mo to. Why mo yung ano? Pepperoni.
It's here as well. Would like
Cute, ingon kayo, di ka makaonyot.
Our crazy friend mo ba?
Because you told
kaya,
us.
kaya pala gusto mo 5 orderin kasi manipis lang pala siya.
Oo.
I'm sorry, nangyayari.
Tingnan mo, nakulang tuloy.
Diya, wala pa isang ano. Sarap ng kabaya.
Yeah. Next berry. This one.
Here.
Where's the other pizza?
Yeah.
Ano pa yung isang order?
2.
Anong bet?
Pepperoni na lang. Kasi wala pa sila naka-pepperoni. Yeah.
One for pepperoni.
No, you should have one more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ayun na. Angin.
Hangin na, nawala. Nawala. Zero talaga, ma'am. Ang lakas kumain dyan na side.
Apa?
Mga lalaki yung bisita eh.
Ganda babae, bituka, lalaki.
She said before our leave, we will eat in her house.
Sa bahay na lang ganyan. Dala na ako ng tuyo. Dala ko na lang yung tuyo.
Isa oras.
Tapos maano pa eh.
So we are all set and done with our food. We are planning again to have a party at Estella House.
Ano na nga yung mga bago matapos. Not this weekend. The following week.
Eh, gusto niyo sa imong balay? Gusto niyo sa inyong balay?
Breakfast meal, morning.
Palaaga sa mi sa inyo daw. Dang, palaaga po mi sa inyo daw.
Breakfast, morning.
Weekdays man na. Uy.
Okay, nagulo.
Morning.
Friday daw breakfast.
Oh, morning.
Dala si Adam niya. Ano na si Adam? Sa balay man.
Di ba sa ilaha ba? Palaaga ta mi sa ilang balay.
Kanong ano, tingaran ka na yung kabayo.
Pag Friday may ano man si Ada, may
Uy, namadalo rin.
Oh, yan. Ano, di ba? Engaged pa sila pero parang magkatawan.
Kaya girl na pala, kuwara. Yung mga matatanggal. At least may chance pa, may chance pa.
Kasi ano, so, artista. Pakota na siya. Before time. Kasal muna ko.
Kasi ibig generasyon book kayo, si Bold Star. Buntis daw muna. Ilibin muna. Bago kasal. Bago kasal. Para may maganda. Kasal, always alam. Kung rin coffee, miss nyo na shoot.
Napangit siya. I want to go in this
Ano na shore. Pabotox kasi siya. Miss nyo na ka-shoot. Kahit mo malaki.
Parang ano na siya, parang manahukong ba?
Collagen. Ay, collagen sa botox.
Siguro, not too much Gangnam or Gangnam Zoo. Especially, I think that is first boyfriend.
Maganda siya. Ang kinis.
Ay, talaga. Ganun man sila sa mga ano nila, no? Yeah, Isha.
Sign ba?
Yeah, these my children have this love of patience because they are patient and they are, I'm so proud because they are one is family, one man, one woman for them. And they never
channel din ito.
they never had relationship with one another. Tapos naman nagkao. Kaya may channel ka. Even they have the girlfriend, they are still Kimchi? Kimchi? Bibimbap? Oo. Parang ano, yung pansit nila, naginag ka ng kamay. Japchae? Japchae?
Chapsay.
Japchae?
Chapsay sa kutawag nila.
Say sa...
Oo, di pa chapsay yan. Pinoy nga di ba? Sa American Chapsay.
Kanya sa'yo! Very clean. And easily go to them. Unlike me that, you know, they need to...
Bawal ka, bawal ka. Kasi picture, smile din siya.
So they are thinking also. But in the Philippines,
So happy naman si Daddy.
Dapat mag-apo na. Papuhin mo na.
matagal na ba si girl dito? Matagal dito ba?
I don't know, matagal ba?
Wala, dapat uni. Uma.
Yung ma. Sabi ko ma.
Ay, ganun?
Ungko? Sa Korea. Oo.
Pag 200,
Talagang, ano
Ang iyang jogging scrub yung tasya para mamubuo.
Yeah.
Paggawas pa, Barbie na ka.
Friend of Stella.
Pero pag panganak ka to,
Barbie ngot. Ana, wala ka na. Barbie ngot. Ana. Ang ana. Kay Ana. Hoy, may ganyan na sa Japan. Ganun may ganun na sa Japan.
Di ba
Nagtataka siya bakit ganun anak niya. Yung lalaki.
kaya anak daw nila, bakit daw maganda.
Yung pala operading babae.
Alam mo, operada mo, ay operada mo pala sulat siya.
Lumabas pa rin ang itsura niya sa anak niya.
Kasi Pauline Luna
Hindi man tukada si Pauline.
No.
Kaya nga.
Pwede siya, wait.
Ay, tukada si Pauline?
Kada siya, anak
Ah.
niya yung phone.
Okay.
Wala.
Oh, ngayon, kitambok na siya. Gulang pa doon.
Kaya na iba sa na yung kwarta, maraming siya. Pag nakuha na, wata ka balo, pag 13 years old, mag-hit ka na ngayon ito, gusto, kayo na siya.
Para sa anak nito, pati. Kapag na lang natin.
Lumahanay.
Babae.
Isa yung ako pa. Hindi
Wala siyang kayo product.
You missed to keep 5 only for you and the rest you sell.
Breakfast makakasayo, di na?
Because I'm not class.
Ako ang eat ko.
It's okay for you. Like, chicken house.
Ano ko dito? Ay, may bubuan na.
Plus this my mother-in-law house.
Alasin ko na lang.
Because that is a farm before. That's my mother-in-law. They were farming before.
Tuesday, akong birthday.
Supporting Tuesday.
Hindi mo na weekend. Makote ka. Wala sila ko.
To the bus.
You wanna ride a bus? Yeah.
From here to movie. And
Back and
vice
forth.
versa.
Try, huh?
Yeah, you should.
That's nice.
Hindi drama dan me, I can.
No, iftar. No, iftar. After iftar.
Why not?
Yeah, it's fun.
Free Wi-Fi.
Yeah, free Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi. It's
Wi-Fi.
Balik na lang. Kada galing may wifi.
Yeah, back and forth.
Balik sa...
Then 500 baisa only. 500 baisa.
From here. Yeah.
Na-award ka ni kami.
Export. Nagano ba?
Now we are about to leave and go home. Magbabay na kayo.
Bye! Bye! Happy birthday!
Sa second floor, mapudo siya pa. Pamaligid ba sa ano ko nag-video? Bye na. Bye na. Original yan. Mana dato accountant ka pa niya. Salamat po sa bye. Bye bye.
Bula.
Yes, kami mag
Bye, dang. Bye, bye. Next time naman.
Enjoy, ingat kayo.
Kapag na.
Sa Manila? Yes, yes.
Baka virgin.
Saya ka naman.
Tanong tag-throat.
Huh? Ah, here.
Let's double check your bag. Ay, birthday. Sige mo pa. Ito ka sa video. This is for my vlog. Have you seen the glass? You are there. Yeah, our family vlog. Kayo mo mag-take for the guest ever.
Ako, tapos nandun sa eskadro, sasabi ko, Mapa, I miss you, ito na lang pinaginagawa kong katatawanan.
Kaya nga. Pag nakaupo siya, ganun agad ah.
Yeah. Wala green.
Nilagay ko talaga sa video para makita ng mga ano yung other side niya. Other side niya pagka
Other side of the world.
Yes. At least enjoy naman.
Tatlong beses. Kasi yun ang masasabi.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to see more of my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel.
Different yan. Dala yun.
Tama mo yung gata. This is Miss Pearl. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.